Hello guys, if you have been following this channel about AI automation, today I am going to be surprising you with really quick updates. Things have been going crazy with AI right now as we speak, right? So, I have been working on AI tools myself, AI automation. I recently got a project on the AI automation where one of my teammate and I am actually curating a course for people who are basically interested to learn Facebook ad automation. However, that's a separate thing to talk about. Today, I am going to be focusing on discussing how AI is basically going to create lots and lot of job, guys. Because think of me, I'm an engineering graduate and I'm working in ad tech industry for about 10 years now. But imagine me sitting at 3 a.m. in the morning recording this video just for you guys to know that Google Flow or the Google Gemini under the Google Labs is creating massive development of actually making you a real-time creator, real-time business owner, real-time cinematic editor, video editor, all of this without having you to invest a dime except that you get a Gemini Pro membership on board, and that's all it takes. Let me share my screen already and show you what is happening here. So I've just asked it to generate a tutorial for my courses that I offer online to people, and this is what I've got, guys. So you can see on the laptop right here, this is my AI character instructor. She will be looking forward to training you guys on how to work with Canva, how to work with video editing, and all of this is basically not my expertise. And this is what I've given as a prompt. If you want, I can actually send you all of these prompts uh, to start with, and for that you need to subscribe to this channel where we've been working very hard to get your attention, so we will definitely be able to provide you more updates soon on this, but I want you to subscribe to the channel. Now, talking about this video, basically our niche is into AI automation, and we make tutorials around topics like AI automation, topics like video creation, advertisement management, strategic planning, business consulting, and other interesting things around AI. And now, if you look at it, given a simple prompt, now it has created separate clips of how the course is going to be like. All I need to do is now ask it to club together to make a course, and then I could do write a captions or give a voiceover of entire Canva tutorial, and I could even add screenshots or additional screens to support my course. And here it is, it's ready now. I can go directly upload this course online and start selling it. Isn't that really great, right? And this means that AI is not going to take jobs, guys. It's going to create more and more jobs, and that's in for now. I think I'll be doing a lot more simpler tutorials like this. So see, now it has got a lot of other things that I want to complete before I actually end this quick course that I've created on trying to understand how AI is changing, roles in the industry. Now, if you look at it, you could do even a video generation as simple as that. So I might do a new one for you to know. I'm using a pro version, by the way, guys. So I will just go and create a new project. Go to all media, images and videos. Okay, I want to create a new one now. Now you got to see this, right? It's crazy. Now it's actually telling all about the course. Did you hear it? Cinematic and realistic videos are now possible with just using your Google Gemini Pro membership the way I showed you right now. Now subscribe to this channel and share it to as many people as you can so that you can spread this knowledge about these tools and help empower people who are trying to learn tools and trying to create more jobs. Thank you.